The Moen Revolution rotating massaging shower head has to be one of the best showers that I have experienced, with a lot of water pressure, and the functionality with the rotating massage function makes it a perfect refreshing shower. However, since it's such an old product, it's hard to find parts for it, and I started to experience the ball joint disconnecting at the head of the shower and leak from the back of the shower joint. And when I went to try to find parts, they were unavailable online. All I could find was a complete set for $134.99 on eBay. Therefore, I decided to use water well, which worked very well on both of those parts. On the joint, as you can see there, only thing, you have to let it dry for 24 hours, and then behind the joint where it was spraying out, you have to let it dry 24 hours before use, but it should work very well after that. So if you have trouble finding parts, this is a good solution. Also, as an added bonus, you can use the water well to secure a loose pipe in your wall. I used that in my other shower and it secured the pipe very well.